The crows. From about mid-October and through the winter, thousands of crows leave their communal roost behind Saddleback College at dawn and return at sunset. The sight can leave the casual observer stuck in his track, fixated with both the daily exodus and return. Why did they come? Sylvia Gallagher, the bird information chairman for the Sea and Sage Audubon Society, said, "It's normal for crows to roost communally and then spread out all over the place in the daytime, then go back there in the evening. During the day, the crows spread out in small groups to forage for food. In a study done by Rutgers University in 1990, observations showed that during the day, crows stayed in small groups of 3 to 7 within a territory for up to several years." Expert and casual observers say that the crows come from throughout the Saddleback Valley area to as far away as the north part of Orange County. They will split into small groups, likely family groups of 2.5 dozen birds, said Gallagher. Then they'll forage everywhere they can find food: trash cans, dumps, and where people are eating. Upon their return in the evening, about 20 minutes before sunset, a steady flow of blackbirds fly over the campus from their daily foraging grounds and gather in the large trees, mostly sycamores, pines, and eucalyptus, in what is sort of a crow pep rally. If they cannot be seen, they can certainly be heard. Their calls create a raucous cacophony that is heard throughout the campus until the sun sets. Alumnus Bob Allen, now a biology professor at Irvine Valley College, said, "The crows even roosted there when I began as a student at Saddleback in 1977. Why the birds chose this particular location for a roost fits the characteristics of what crows traditionally select. They prefer tall trees so they can keep a close eye on predators. There is also plenty of trash around campus, so it is a convenient food source." Allen adds his personal hypothesis about why the crows roost here: big trees, lots of food on the ground, and my personal favorite: it's hip to be on a college campus. According to Kevin McGowan of Cornell University, birds get some protection from predators by being in a large group. This is the wagon train analogy: safety in numbers. Historically, crows have symbolized power, evil, and death. Although poets refer to a crow gathering as a murder of crows, scientists show that these birds are quite the opposite. They are family-oriented, social, and intelligent creatures. Crows appear to stay with the same mate for life. Relationships with their own kind are important. Their tight family unit is partial evidence of this. Not only will crows defend and protect their own family, but also they will come to the aid of unrelated crows in need or distress. Possibly the most intelligent of all birds, crows have extremely good memory. A crow never forgets, especially when it comes to something they fear or where they place their reserve of food to eat later. Crows do have one endearing characteristic that is apparently not shared by other birds. They will get to know human beings as individuals, writes McGowan. If you toss them peanuts on a regular basis, they will wait and watch for you. Not just any person, but you. If you do this often enough, they will follow you down the street to get more. Next time you are lucky enough to be on campus to see this spectacle, don't think of these beautiful birds as something horrible and Hitchcockian. They are intelligent and vocal members of our Saddleback community.